Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where the best photo spot is in Heartopia. So you're going to go to the Onen Mountain, and near the bus stop, you're just going to go on these rocks. Make sure your graphics quality is at Ultra, um, so you are able to see the reflections later on. I'm just going to do it like from the side. I'll adjust it as I go. But I'm going to use, you can use any of the actions, but I'm going to use this one when person's like squatting down, and you kind of want to take pictures when the reflection is just right. Also, make sure the like field of view is all the way to the left so you can see it better, and kind of like you can zoom out a little bit better. So I'm just trying to like locate here, like where the reflection would be if it's not like that. So a little bit down here. Okay, that still looks wonky. So let's go from this side and see. Okay, let's kind of zoom out again. It's a little bit difficult, honestly, to get the like perfect angle. Can't really see that. Okay, she still looks like she has two eyes in the reflection. Hold on, let me change it like this. Okay, I think that's good enough. I think that's perfect. And if you want, you can zoom in a little bit, but I wouldn't zoom in too much. And then just take a picture and you can see how cool it is with the reflection. I think it's a little bit better if you like do it very close to the water. Maybe like on this rock, but you can kind of adjust it yourself on how you want to take the picture. Let's do, you can also do it with this one, the put a curse on you. And you can still see the reflection here, but again, you do have to kind of adjust it. See, still with the with the two eyes, you need to really adjust it so that the reflection is only like one. It looks like only one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the only picture I liked from yesterday. I did take it. This is what it looks like. So it looks like there's a reflection here. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Okay, this is a better spot, don't you think? Hold on. Yeah, that's way better. So you can kind of like see the reflection a little bit better than what we had. Trying to take the perfect angle is difficult though. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.